Righto, different thing now. Bit of a plug for the Rolling Thunder guys. Supporting our fucking veterans who have served our country and are being done a fucking injustice. Yeah? Get on the fucking website. Get it checked out. And if you're free, Saturday the 28th of fucking August, get yourself there. There's meetups, there's rendezvous all around the country, and there's going to be thousands of fucking bikers descending on Parliament, basically, telling them what they're doing is fucking wrong. Because it's wrong. Even if you've not got a strong opinion about it, show a bit of solidarity, for fuck's sake. If you're free, get yourself there, 28th of August. Details coming up. Right. I've said it before and I'll say it again. If you're a biker and you're free, on Saturday 28th of August 2021, get yourself down to your local rendezvous point. I'll put a link to the Facebook page, to the website there, look, rollingthunder.com, rollingthunderuk.com, where veterans and civilian supporters are showing their solidarity for the veterans being prosecuted and persecuted in lots of fucking ways, yeah? So there'll be thousands, and I mean fucking thousands upon thousands of bikers there. If you can, be a part of it. Go and check out my mate, Titch, Stuart Burnham. He does the local one to me. Get in touch with him if you need any help about being part of this, and get on it.
Take a serious look at what you're doing. For people that serve your country, the government sent us there to do these jobs, and then you're doing this to us. It's outrageous.
Stop the persecution of people who were doing the job that they were sent there to do by the politicians of the day.